Hello guys, this is Tom, KD6SBR here in Pahrump, Nevada. And as you can see, I made myself a shelf, a makeshift shelf. It came out, the shelf came out very well, but the LED lighting, I thought I can get it a lot done easier, but this wasn't that easy of a job. Just fiddling around with this, hold on a minute, just fiddling around with this tape is very cumbersome, and then naturally the backing, the supposedly 3M, which is supposed to be a great company, you take off the backing and there was no stickiness at all, so I had to use crazy glue. Not crazy glue, but I guess it is crazy glue. And by the time I started wetting the back, my fingers got stuck to the LED, pulled off a little of my skin, it came out good. I used the wrong side. I have to paint this black. I have to color this in black. This has to be touched up. This has to be touched up. And even getting these little boards where the LED is connected to was giving me a hard time for some reason. And this came loose here. I'm not even going to worry about it. Worst comes to worst, I could stick a little bit of crazy glue in there too. And after I'm done finishing up, it came out okay. I do like it. I thought I would like it. When and if I get an amplifier, the amplifier will go here. I'm trying to shoot for an AL572 amp. I don't know if I'm going to get that yet or not, but like I said, I got to wait till work picks up. I didn't even get the new MFJ auto tuner yet. I held off on that because I'm just not working right now and money's going out like water. And like I said, anybody who does, anybody who works for themselves and, just doesn't have any work coming in, money goes out of your savings like crazy. It just goes. Bills, got to pay the bills even though you're not working. So it came out good though. I like the color changing. I can, change it from blue. And I got green. I got just about every color of the spectrum. So this is going to come in really handy at night. Okay. There's orange. Red I'm not crazy about. Red makes it a little too hot in there. And you got the green again. The green is a nice color. Yellow is okay. Okay. This is really going to look pretty nice at night though. Is blue, and here's aqua. I think that was aqua. This is kind of some kind of greenish blue, and there's purple, which gives the gray a little bit of a color, and of course I can go to fade. I don't know what fade is. We're going to find out. Okay, fade. I guess it's it's changing color. Oh, okay, slowly changes color as I'm talking here. That's what the fade does. I don't know if I'd be using that all the time. It's not a Christmas decoration. And then, of course, you got white. White will come in handy, too, of course. I do like it. Don't get me wrong. It came out good. There are some things that just bother me. When I know it's there, it just bothers me. I don't know if anybody who's done that before. But like I said, these LED lights, at least the one I bought from Home Depot, for $30, it was an 8-foot length, and you can cut it where you want. And I even made it just a little bit too short. It came up here. I thought for sure I had it all the way, but I don't think it really matters because the LED stops right here, and I'm only missing about 3 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches. So I don't think it's going to make a difference. But I'm waiting for a schedule. That might have been the person I was looking for earlier who just said CQ or test. But I got to meet somebody on 40 meters. Anybody who does see this video, I will be on 40 meters at 5:25 Pacific Standard Time. I don't know what that is in Zulu time or UTC time because I don't have the clock in front of me. But I'm going to be talking or trying to communicate with Kilo Foxtrot 5 Victor Sierra Papa, and he should be on. I missed him last night. I haven't spoken to this guy Mike in about 10 years. So if anybody sees this video and who has a shortwave receiver or a ham operator, if you'd like to come on the frequency, please feel free. As soon as this uploads, I will probably be monitoring 7.195. So that's 40 meters, 7.195 megahertz. And if you guys hear me out there calling CQ, feel free to jump in and say hello. Okay, guys, that's it. Tommy T, Kilo Delta 6, Sierra Bravo Romeo in Pahrump, Nevada. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.